Welcome to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this deep stretch before bed. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin by coming into a seated position, and we'll begin by doing a head to knee pose. So from the seated position, let's extend the right leg out long in front of us, keeping this left foot hugged into the right thigh, keeping the right foot flexed towards you. From here, on your next inhale, lift the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that right leg and then melt it forward, really breathing into the back of this right leg. Should feel an awesome stretch in the calf and the hamstring here. Stay here for a few more breaths. And exhale, mindfully release, roll it back up. Let's take that over to the other side. So extending this left leg out long, hugging the right foot into the left thigh. Again, on your next inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that left leg, melt it forward. Again, left foot flex towards you, breathing into the calf, the hamstring. And on your next exhale, mindfully release. From here, let's make our way into an extended child's pose. So let's bring the knees as wide as your mats, letting the big toes touch behind you. From here, just simply walk the hands out long in front of you, letting the forehead rest in the mat. In this pose, really breathing into the shoulders, the back body, as well as the hips. And on your next exhale, mindfully release. Awesome job. From here, we'll make our way into a deer pose, otherwise commonly referred to in the bodybuilding community as a 90-90 stretch. So essentially what we're doing is we're creating two 90-degree angles in our legs. So let's start with the right leg in front of us. And let's keep this right knee in line with the right hip. So you should have this nice 90-degree angle in the right leg. Right foot is flexed. And the left leg behind us. Again, left knee in line with the left hip. 90-degree angle, left foot is flexed. Hands can just rest by your side. Sit up nice and tall. And feel free to gently rock up and down here. You should feel an awesome stretch in that left hip. And on your next exhale, mindfully release. We'll simply just take that over to the other side. So let's bring the left leg in front of us. Again, left knee in line with the left hip, 90-degree angle, left foot is flexed, right leg behind us, right knee in line with the right hip, 90-degree angle, right foot is flexed, hands just resting by your side, sit up nice and tall. And if you like, feel free to just gently rock up and down. And on your next exhale, let's gently release. From here, let's bring both legs in front of us, keeping the legs together, both feet flexed towards you. We'll come into a seated forward fold here. On your next inhale, lift the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, melt it forward, grabbing onto the toes or the feet if you can. If you can't, that's okay. You just let the hands rest where they naturally fall. Again, in this pose, really breathing into the back of the legs. And on your next exhale, release, mindfully roll it back up. Awesome job. From here, let's make our way onto our backs. Take your time getting there. And then once you do get here, let's come into a reclined pigeon pose. So let's start by stepping our right foot over our left leg, creating this figure four formation. And then from here, lifting the left leg up off the ground, keeping both feet flexed. Try and keep this left calf parallel with the ground. And now from here, we can thread our hands through, grabbing a hold of the back of the left leg. Feel an awesome stretch in that right hip. And on your next exhale, mindfully release. Bring the sole of the left foot down, uncross that right foot, and we'll take that over to the other side. So stepping the left foot over the right leg, creating this figure four formation, and then lifting that right leg up off the ground, keeping both feet flexed, right calf parallel with the ground. From here, thread your arms through, grabbing a hold of the back of the right leg. And exhale, mindfully release. Awesome job, you guys. Now from here, let's come up into a happy baby. So grabbing the outside of the right foot with your right hand, grabbing the outside of the left foot with your left hand, bringing the soles of the feet up towards the ceiling. And in this happy baby, try and keep your full spine, your full back rooted in the mat. So if your lower back's coming up off the mat, see if you can dial it down. You can have some fun here too. You can sway side to side if that feels nice. Exhale, release. Awesome job. Now from here, let's come into a reclined butterfly. So simply just bring the soles of the feet together, letting the knees open up wide. Just letting the hips open up naturally. A couple options with your hands. You can let them rest by your sides, or you can have one hand on the belly, the other one on the heart. I encourage you to close your eyes here. Just come back to your breath. And on your next exhale, let's come into our final pose, shavasana. Simply just extend the legs out long, extend the arms out long. Again, I encourage you to close your eyes here. Just letting the mind and the body reap all the benefits from this practice. So I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you're ready to go, we can rock up coming into a seated position of your choice. Wherever you are, let's bring your hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.